These fries are the second part to my cat burger tutorial. I will link the tutorial in the description so you can crochet them as a set. You can use 2.5mm hook for a more squarish packet, or you can use 3mm hook. The packet will be bigger and look more rectangular. For the cat face, you can use embroidery string or yellow yarn. I prefer the size with 2.5mm hook with embroidery string. Pause to see the materials you will need. We will start with the fries. Make a magic ring with yellow yarn. Do 7 single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the tail to close the hole. Then end the round with slip stitch in the first stitch. On round 2, start with chain 1, and in the next stitch, back loop only, do a single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Do 8 single crochet or back loops only for this round. The last single crochet is on the slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. On round 3, do 8 single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Pull the magic ring tail to tighten the magic ring. And you can hide the tail inside. Repeat 8 single crochet from round 4 to round 10. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Going to fast forward to the end of round 10. Now at the end of round 10. Remove the stitch marker when you finish round 10. Add in the stuffing here. You can use your scissors or hook to help you push in. On the last round, do 2 single crochet decrease. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Use invisible decrease for all your decrease. Repeat 2 single crochet decrease one more time. Use invisible decrease for the decrease. Remove the stitch marker and end the round with slip stitch in the first stitch. Press a bit to even out the stuffing inside. Leave a tail to fasten off. Sew the tail inwards in the front loop of the next 4 stitches to close the hole. Sew into the middle and weave into the side. Pull the tail to close the hole. And then cut and hide the ends inside. Make 4 fries. To make the packet, make a magic ring with red yarn. Do 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the tail to close the hole. Start in the first stitch, do 3 single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Do 2 single crochet in the second stitch. Then do single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat the pattern again for the last 3 stitches. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Pull the magic ring tail to tighten the magic ring. Next round, insert your hook in the first stitch and place the magic ring tail on the hook and do a single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. In the next stitch, do 3 single crochet. Place the magic ring tail on the hook and crochet together. Next, do 5 single crochet together with the tail. From here, you can crochet without the tail. Do 3 single crochet in the next stitch. And finish the round with 4 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Cut off the excess tail. Next round, start with 2 single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Then do increase in the next 2 stitches. Now do 6 single crochet. Then do 2 increase in the next 2 stitches again. And finish the round with 4 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. On round 5, do single crochet in crease all around. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. On round 6, do 30 single crochet all in back loops only. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Crochet as normal again. Do 30 single crochet from round 7 to round 12. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Going to fast forward to the end of round 12. Now at the end of round 12. Remove the stitch marker when you finish round 12. Now we have the height of the packet. On the last round, do 30 slip stitch. Going to fast forward to the end. Leave a tail to fasten off. And the packet is done. Now sew the tail into the next stitch. And through this stitch here at the back. Sew a knot in this stitch below. And then weave in the tail on the same row. Gently pull up the last stitch to adjust the roundness. Cut off the excess tail. And the packet is done. Now we can sew on the face. Start by pushing in the bottom to form a curve. Flatten it a little so you have a flat surface. Pause to see the diagram to sew the eyes, whiskers and nose. Cut a very long yellow yarn or yellow embroidery string. Find the middle of the packet and we will start sewing from the left eye. Leave a tail to fasten off later. Sew one stitch on each side of the eye. Leave one stitch between the eyes and sew the right eye. From here, go down to row 4 to sew the whiskers. Sew 2 stitches for each whisker. Sew to the middle between row 4 and row 5 for the nose. Sew 1 stitch for the nose. Lastly, sew the left whiskers. Weave into the starting tail so you can tie them together. Tie both tails together. Now we weave in both tails. And then cut. Straighten the stitches a little. This one here is sewn with embroidery string and this one with yellow yarn. You can also just leave it plain. If you want to fit the fries inside the packet, you can adjust the bottom first and then the height of the fries. Then you can use red yarn to sew the fries in or just glue them. Your fries packet is done. Now your happy meal is complete. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.